Hey everybody, I'm back with another DIY to show you how I updated my storage bins with placemats. Go from this to this finesse game. Hey everyone, I am going to walk you through how I updated these gray storage bins to woven baskets with faux leather handle pulls. I purchased 8 Underlag placemats from Ikea. I also purchased a quarter of a yard of faux leather vinyl from Joann's, brass screws and backs from Home Depot. I'll link everything I used in my blog post. I used my Cricut to cut the handle pulls. If you don't have a Cricut, it is okay. You can measure out the desired width and cut with scissors and hole punch where you would like your screws. I marked and measured how much of the placemat I needed to cover the storage bin, and I cut the excess that I did not need. I wanted my handles to be about 4 inches wide, slightly sticking out and not laying completely flat. I used a etch knife to cut a hole of where the screws will go in, and I added the backs. I then added hot glue to the sides, the top and the bottom of the storage basket to have it secured and safe. I don't intend on pulling the baskets from the faux leather pulls. I pull my baskets from the top of the bin out, and everything I store in this unit is stuff that I don't use every single day. It's just stuff that I keep away. So that's why I wanted to make over this storage basket so it looks nice and pretty and goes with my room decor, which is constantly changing. I hope you like this video, and if you have any storage baskets that need a little makeover, just head to Ikea, get some placemats, and go to town with some hot glue.